The Andax Xtreme Shell Pipe Flange Containment System is a complete containment solution to capture leaks at connection joints, valves, and flanges. Our Andax Remote Monitoring System is designed to help manage, track, and report on-site leaks using a web-based platform that provides daily fluid level alerts. Remote monitoring provides quantifiable flow rate metrics, allowing you to make intelligent decisions regarding on-site leak management. All monitoring systems are pre-programmed based on measurements you submitted on your site survey form. Mounted on the top of a containment barrel, your remote monitoring system gives you real-time data that you can access remotely, anytime, anywhere, using a smartphone or tablet. Once you have installed your monitor, you can access fluid level data by going to our login page at andax.com. Log in with the username and password that was assigned to you by your account manager. All data is collected across our cloud-based platform, keeping you informed with accurate fluid level readings on containment tanks. The Xtreme Shell Remote Monitoring System can be installed in the event of a leak or as a preventative measure to contain leaks and immediately get alerts when they occur. The Xtreme Shell unit can capture oil, chemical, acid, or other liquid leaking from a pipe flange in-house or at remote facilities. In this example, an Xtreme Shell unit was installed to capture oil content leaking from a pipe flange at a remote facility. A 10-gallon tank was used, and the leak was monitored for 7 days. When the fluid level reached a warning status, an email message alert was sent to a technician to service the unit. The technician was dispatched only when the status of the containment reached a predetermined alert level, reducing countless on-site visits. The Xtreme Shell Remote Monitoring System is a simple and effective solution that gives you peace of mind. To learn more about the Xtreme Shell Pipe Flange Containment System or to speak with an account manager, visit andax.com or call 1-800-999-1358. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos.